gorgeous. This is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. End of the year 31st 2020 we are into, and I thought we can update more collections in this patchwork dupatta, and we wish you a very happy and serenity filled 2021, so which is coming tomorrow, so we can pray for that. And let me start the show today with these beautiful dupattas. There are two different concepts in this dupatta. One is without pant material and one is with a set wise, so you can find two different things. And last time the patchwork was little bigger, and this time it is little smaller, which is an value added thing which I especially wanted to say. Let's have a look at these salwar materials which I'm going to show. So these could be the materials of different colors. All will be of hand block print, ajrak prints, and with a value added dupatta where you can see all the tassels and everything. So let me start the show first. The dupatta for this is this, where I have my own dupatta. So first time please give it for dry clean because this is a patchwork, so the color may ooze out, and preferably before wearing these kind of indigo, you can go for a dry clean and then you can wear it. First what I did was this is my indigo blue material, which first I washed it and then stitched it. So according to your choice you can do that. And all are of different prints with different patchwork on it. See this elephant patch, small little elephant patch this is, and these are all comes only with the top and dupatta. You guys please read the descriptions carefully and then place your orders whether you want. You can mix and match your pant and everything, or else you can go for a set wise. And these are all different ajrak hand block printed. All are beautiful cotton, easy wear, and it's skin friendly also. Mostly this don't need a lining inside because the fabric is thick. It's very nice also, where I have not used any lining inside. So this is black in color. I want to open each and every dupatta and show you guys because you can understand how the dupatta look. You can mix and match these dupattas with any other of your dresses. See this, all are beautiful prints with different patchworks all over. I especially love patchworks. These are all human made, human touch is there. I usually say make in India, where our boutique always all the time deals 99% with handlooms, handwoven and everything, where I have to keep a little bit of commercial items too for some people, to satisfy the needs of some people also. So see these, such a beautiful concept. The dupatta is very cottonish and it's very lightweight also. So first time you can go for a dry clean, guys. Please don't put it in the dupatta because it is a half white with patchwork all over. All are nice See, these patchwork are especially done by hands, so let us respect that. All right, see this, once again indigo color with a beautiful patchworks. Such a beautiful, amazing concept. These are all. And then comes the second lot, then comes with a set wise top, pant and dupatta, but with same concept, little bit of differences there. This is an ajrak print top, hand block printed. This is the pant, and then you can find a beautiful dupatta for this. All over patchwork. See, it's so nice and fine. It's so nice, and you can find here and there ablas. So this is the importance of the second lot of materials, but the concepts are one and the same, where you got a set wise concept. However, you can go for, see this, so nice and amazing. All are beautifully, this is, one is horse, small little horse, and one is with elephants. All right guys, see this, so nice. The color is also so pretty in this. You can mix and match however you want it to. This is with an elephant, beautiful small little elephant. Last time the patchwork was a little bigger than this time. See this, so this is how it is. I'll just compare and contrast last time once so that you guys can understand how it really looks. See this, all right. Camel patch, all are small ones. So once again, an elephant patch with black elephant patch, pretty beautiful, brilliantly made, these patchworks. So many of my clients love patchworks and cutworks and whatever it is made in handwork. Yeah, and so we are back with a big bang these days, Make in India concept, which is very appreciable thing. So this is how it looks, and see this, a beautiful yellow color with a beautiful pant with an amazing dupatta. All the elephant patches colors and combinations are entirely different, so whichever color you wanted to, you are liking personally, please go for that. So that is how it is. So see this, my last piece is this. So this time it has come with a beautiful small little patches, which I am loving it. You can see this is an elephant patch and my dupatta is this. I'll show this. So last time it came with a bigger patch. Anyway, both are equally beautiful. I am wearing my dupatta. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this year 2020, 31st December. I thank you everybody, each and everybody, my offline clients, my online clients, for supporting Shivani's boutique a lot, and we are spreading colors globally with all your support and blessings. Thank you so much. Have a super duper 2021. Let's welcome 2021 with a big bang. Thank you so much, and bye bye.